Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the sound mode on your XIAOMI F Pro TV. First of all, navigate to Settings. In Settings, select Display and Audio tile. Then open Audio Settings. And the first option you will see on the sidebar is the sound mode. So just click OK and then switch to a different sound mode. As you can see here, we have 5 different sound modes: music, film, clear voice, customized, or the standard mode, which is enabled by default. Just select the mode that you need and it will after that change. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.